Hi everyone, welcome to Sue's Day. I'm Sue Ann Jafarian, the fat woman driving the novel RV. This week I'm going to address a couple of questions I've received recently. I always say if you have a topic or a question you want to pose to me, put it in the comments or send me an email or a message on Messenger, and I'll address them if I can. Anyway, this week, I'm going to be addressing the topics of sex and health. Now, DC asked me, what about sex in an RV? Now, he's probably just being a smartass, but why not? It's a valid question. Yes, I have had sex in an RV more than once. And like sex anywhere at a certain age, it's done with care and creativity. And that's all I'm going to say about that. Anyway, the other question is on healthcare. What do I do if I get sick? Where do I go if I get sick? What kind of healthcare do I have or insurance do I carry? Being my age, I have my Medicare, and I also have a supplemental insurance policy plus the prescription insurance. So I'm well covered, which is great, because in the nearly 4 years I've been on the road, I have had to go to the ER 3 times and urgent care that many times as well. It's been for various reasons, none of them life-threatening, but things like diverticulitis attacks, kidney stones, an injured foot, sinus infection. I mean, just run-of-the-mill stuff I could get anywhere. And you go to the ER or you go to an urgent care and you get the help you need. And my insurance covers most of that. I also have a doctor in Texas who is my GP, and she takes very good care of me. I float through Texas twice a year to see her for my annual and semi-annual checkups, and she takes very good care of me. Healthcare is a concern when you're on the road. I mean, when you hit a certain age, things happen. Let's face it, we're falling apart. Plus, you have to be careful. You know, I always say I'm one fall away from a broken hip. So you tend to be a little more careful. I'm also try to always be within cell phone range of getting the help I need. And my family tracks me on Life 360, so they always know where I am. But I feel fairly secure that unless I do something that hurts me seriously, I can handle whatever comes my way. And as with all RVers, no matter your age or what type of rig you're in, you must have a first aid kit. I have 2. One I inherited and one that was a gift when I retired. So that's kind of how healthcare is on the road. I always make sure I know where the nearest hospital is when I'm boondocking or camping in a kind of a remote area. I always like to know where is the closest care I can get if needed. So that's how I handle my health care on the road. I'm lucky, I'm fairly healthy. And, you know, what can I say? Hopefully I will continue this as long as I can. I always say I won't get off the road until I'm either not able to do it anymore or if it stops being fun. So far, it is still a lot of fun, even after almost 4 years. So I hope that answers your questions, particularly you, DC. And as I always say, If my van's a rockin', don't come a knockin', because it's probably me just trying to shimmy into my jeans. You all have a good day, and thank you for joining me on Sue's Day, and I hope you'll return next week. And also, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget you can follow me online at SueAnJafarian.com or thenovelrv.com or on Facebook.